Hello and welcome to this Texacom edition of Traders Talks. My name is Anthony, I'm the Texacom Regional Sales Manager for the Southeast. Today I want to talk to you about two key Texacom products. First one being the 4G Smartcom. After that we're going to talk about the Texecom Connect version 1 upgrade to the version 2 app, which is a significant change to how the mobile app works and operates. And for you as an installer, it's a big step and a change towards having more management and control over your customers' portfolio over our panels. Starting with the 4G Smartcom, readily available at Traders Warehouse. This has got a built-in eSIM, so unlike other communicators which have a physical SIM card, this has got an onboard eSIM. It facilitates single path and dual path connections via the Texecom Cloud, where on a dual path connection you connect your customer's Wi-Fi or Ethernet as a primary path, and secondary would be the 4G as a backup. Alternatively, you can connect it on a single path 4G connection for those commercial sites where you can't get on the network and or no internet. So significant step in communication as a product, which equally facilitates access to our digital platform, the Texecom Cloud service, and the connection that forms the comms between your mobile app and the cloud. It does come with an antenna included. There are optional upgrades to a high-gain antenna, which is available at Traders Warehouse as well. What does the Texecom Cloud do for you as an installer? It allows you remote access to a customer's alarm system, where you can both manage their panel as well as their mobile app. There are a couple of options within this. Now, whether you're a single installer or an installer with multiple engineers, the best uses and features of the cloud is rolled across the company, where every single one of your engineers has access to the Texecom Cloud so that they can directly access the system and set up the mobile app for your customer. It's less labor intensive and less requirement for the office to do all of the heavy lifting when your engineer directly from his mobile phone has got access to the Texecom Cloud, so making it even easier of using the tools rather than opening up a laptop and logging in every day. The key features with the app is significantly between version 1 and version 2, there is no longer a 6-digit code which is put into the customer's phone. The downside on the version 1 app is, as an installer, you set it up on the customer's phone and you walked away and you had no control over their mobile app. This has changed on version 2. Instead, you create a mobile app user account for your customer, which you can do via your Texecom Cloud, and then they log into that app, and the action of logging into an account and having that customer's mobile app account, so to speak, so their email address registered within your Texecom Cloud, provides you the access to these tools, being able to control and manage both their alarm system and the mobile app. So what are the steps? Significantly, you need to have a Texecom Cloud account. So as a company, please go on to cloud.texi.com or digital.texi.com, both of our two websites, and register for a free to use cloud account. Next, the 6-digit code is no longer used within the app. So instead you add a customer's panel to your cloud using the 6-digit code. After that, you create the mobile app user account for your customer within the app management section. Significantly, there are two direct ways of you as an engineer using the cloud and setting up the customer's mobile app user account. You do not need to log into the cloud directly on a laptop every single time. If you have Texecom Pro, which most installers do, there is a cloud portal to the app where you log into that via your Pro app, and within 3 short steps you can both add a customer's panel to the cloud, connect that system using the app code, and add the customer's email address as well. The alternative way, and directly the easiest way, is within your cloud dashboard you have got an installer ID. So once you register for a cloud account and each of your engineers have signed up for an engineer's account within your overall company cloud account, there's an installer ID which they can use in the quickest way of setting up the app, which is all directly from the mobile app. We need to understand, however, that you have to start with a cloud account. You can't go directly to the app to set up the app from there. You start with a Texecom Cloud account, and then from the customer's app, they can create their mobile app account, and on the very next page when they log in, it asks for 3 things. The app code from the keypad, your installer ID, which is on your cloud dashboard, as well as the customer's master code. Once that's done, you adopt the same process as version 1, creating the mobile house, setting up the app for the customer, and then from your cloud account, you can now access all of the features. I hope this has been informative. We'll cover Texecom Monitor on the next edition of Traders Talks. Please go straight to Trader's Warehouse for your 4G Smartcom.